Hey, y'all know I'd be balling on a budget here at Carl's Garage.
Just got this on the TikTok shop from BOEN Tools. I've got all my cheap E-sockets, Torx, and all my other ones spread across the garage. Look at this master kit. 3/8, we got a 1/4 inch, we got our 1/2 inch drive, we got our E-sockets. Finding a lot of these on Dodges these days. You know, European vehicles have been using them a while. We got our drill bit adapters. Nice little master kit, but do the sockets hold up? That's what we really want to know. We don't want to buy no cheap sockets that we got to return for warranty all the time, or they break. Your TT sockets, your TP sockets, your regular Torx sockets, a little bit of everything. See, these got the little flats on the end. These got the little security in the middle.
Who wants to see me put one in the 20-ton shop press?
Okay, let's go. Let's sacrifice this 3/8 T50, all for science.
Safety first.
All right, here we go. All right, we got a good bite on it. Ooh, that's getting tight. It's getting pretty tight. Shop press, 20-ton, pressure. Ooh. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, I'm scared. There is a crap ton of pressure on that socket. I'm gonna try to give it one more pull. I'm getting a little scared though. I was honestly expecting to shatter by now. All right, I'm too scared to go any further. It's not shattering. All right, let's see if we have any damage. I put the full force 20 tons on these two grooves, and you can see that's just some grime. We'll get that off. There's not even a single nick in these. No deformation, no nicks. That's where it was pressing down on the press plate. The force, it was like this. And you can see there is a flattened spot. It actually compressed the metal on this, but this, not even a single nick or deformation anywhere. Seems like pretty good sockets to me. I'd say we pretty much got the full 20 tons on there with the compaction of this metal here. And the actual part that you use was taking the brunt of the force. So it's made out of a lot better material than what your socket fits in, or your ratchet fits into.
I thought that'd be a pretty cool experiment. If you got something better, let me know so I can try it out on the next socket set.